In this video, I'm going to show you how to pin someone on Snapchat. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Snapchat on your device and sign in to your account. On your account, go ahead and head over to your friend list by clicking on the top left corner of your screen, and this will take you to your Snapchat profile. Scroll down on your profile and you'll be able to find the My Friends section. Click on this and this will take you to the list of your friends on Snapchat. So to be able to pin someone on Snapchat, what you can do is to long press their username and click on the pin this individual as your number one BFF. To be able to pin someone on Snapchat, you'll need to subscribe with the Snapchat Plus. So in here, just go ahead and click on the next button to be able to avail Snapchat Plus on your account. You can avail monthly plan and annual plan depending on your preference. And that's how you can simply pin someone on Snapchat. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.